Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hope your day was filled with lots of love, creating memories with your family and your friends. I hope that it's safe. I'm sorry for this address that is showing, but it is her P.O. box, so we're good. Sorry, Carrie. But so anyway, I'm just sharing some happy mail I received, not happy mail, but season's greetings that I've received over the last month, and I've just not had a chance to share, so I want to be able to do that right now. So let's see. This one is from Angelica, and it says Merry Christmas. Oh, look at that. She shared with me some sentiments. I love it. I have been, if you've seen my, I think it was my last video, maybe pretty close to my last video. I'll leave a link here, but I made some sentiments with some crafty friends, and I added a lot to my stash, so I'll be able to do this as well. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And then she just says, may your holiday season bring you joy, happiness, and wonderful new memories. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. She is Angelica, and she's Crafter's Treat 2017 here on YouTube. Go check her out and wish her a Mele Kalikimaka. Then our next friend sending a season wish is... Oh, look at how pretty. It says Joy. And this one was made. Love it. Oh, and then they shared 2 tags. I love it. Santa Claus, the North Pole, planet Earth. And then a Christmas tree. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna take this off now because I'm gonna be packing up Christmas soon, and I don't want to miss packing that up for using of next year. But this is from my crafty friend Veronica Christie. She's Christie's Crazy Crafty Life here on YouTube. Thank you, Veronica. Mele Kalikimaka. And our next friend is from Shirley, New York, and she is Mary Ellen. She is Mary Ellen here on YouTube as well. So cute. Look at these gnomes. And so cards like these that I get, I will remove these or remove the whole panel and then maybe layer it on a base card and use it next year on another card. But yeah, thank you so much. These are so cute. So Mele Kalikimaka, Mary Ellen. Our next friend, Jesus loves you. Yes, he does. And how beautiful. This is from Lou David. Thank you, Lou. Oh, and she shared some tags too. This is wonderful because I've tried to use up some of my tags that I've been hoarding, and so I can just add more to the collection. These are so beautiful. Thank you, Lou. Merry Christmas, Mele Kalikimaka. Oh, and then our next friend. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Yes. This is from Carrie, and she said some dewdrops. If you haven't ever heard of Carrie or seen her dewdrops, head over there to her Etsy store. But she is Double Click Connect on YouTube, Instagram, and at Etsy. So check her out. Mele Kalikimaka, Carrie. And then our last friend is, oh, look at how cute. Jingle All the Way. Beautiful. Our last friend is Blessed Hands Art. Oh yes, Damaris. Look, thank you for sharing this frame. I love it. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you, Mele Kalikimaka. Oh, so thank you so much. I hope you guys all had a very Merry Christmas and cheers to a New Year's. Mele Kalikimaka. Amea maka hiki ho. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!